Good afternoon, everybody. So this weekend is my friend Seida's birthday, and we all decided to go to Yilan County in Taiwan.
You're vlogging? I'll look prettier when I fix my hair.
Okay. You look pretty now. All of you in the shot.
Yes, it is the husband area. We're in the area.
We're really close. I think it's there. Yeah. Come on, you can do it! So we actually got lost and we passed our building, went around it, and this lovely couple helped us find our way back. Oh, is this it? Nice.
Like I knew this was lackluster.
Yeah.
This is so nice.
So this is the front door. It's when we enter, this is our bedroom. But the cool part, the bathroom. Oh my god. Okay, going. This is the hot tub. So pretty. Oh my god.
I was never expecting to be this
Came with a view. I have never seen a view like this.
They all have Megan knees.
Yeah.
I could not have Megan knees.
Oh yeah. Well, you have to be able to like pistol swap it. At the end of it, I'm like, you know. But I think but when you whine for too long, it's also like.
Yes,
I start feeling
that's
my
why
legs,
you go.
know, and,
Yeah,
like,
that's why you go up. And I feel like, okay, time to go up now.
Энэ ингээ нойлоор өсгөхгүй та. And одоо би усан дарахч. Тэгээд усан дарах газар нэг юм. Тэгээд аймаа дагаад та тийм болохоор хүн байхгүй. So like I'm gonna take a shower. Naked here. I hope that it's gonna be fun. Манай ирсэн хүмүүс маань манай ирсэн хотод маань дугуйцаа 7-11 дээр гачлаа. Тийм болохоор Русыг ирэхээс өмнө би явсан дарахч юм. Yeah.
Not tired. Actually, like, my everyday makeup is just like under eye concealer and just like a little bit like spot concealer. And then I really like wearing.
Seda is doing her hair. I have this. What do you call this dress?
A cone next to dress.
Yeah, convex dress with a belt. Corset belt, my bag, necklace, got my hair up, and Seda's Mary Jane's.
You don't have to add that to my shoes. Pretend it's yours. No one has to know.
No, I am not like that.
Hold on.
Okay.
Volume.
Damn, look at that volume.
Might just turn around to 180. I ain't politic.
A very cute necklace going on. Very cute outfit. And look at those shoes. Oh my god. You got a cute ponytail braid going on. And a nice dress with a bag. Ooh, and the shoes. With the shoes.
Really, I haven't dressed up like this in a while.
You are pretty. Look at you.
Blow, oh, don't trip. I was in the city, they was talking that shit. Had the homies with me, all of a sudden they split. We ain't even worried, we just laughing, that's rich. You know how it goes, it ain't broke, don't fix. Hey, one of these days, we'll all get by. Don't be afraid, don't fall. Think I lost my mind. Reality so hard to find. When the devil tryna call your line, shit, I always shine. Even when the light dim. No, I ain't God, but I'm feeling just like him. Oh, don't trip. See, I was in the whip, riding me and my bitch. We was listening to us, no one else, that's it. That's the flesh, just a bit. Let me talk my shit, say my head got big. Yeah, well, listen, man, world has made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Hey, yeah. I let it go, but I never go with it. Don't trip. Don't trip. Don't trip. Well, you could see me now, love me, down my mind. It goes, it goes, it goes. Oh, listen, man, world has made me crazy. Might just turn around, do 180. I ain't politicking, I ain't kissing no babies. The devil on my doorstep being so shady. Don't trip, we don't gotta let him in. Don't trip. Hey, yeah.
Salud.哦，我是蒙古人。对。
我是黎巴嫩，比利时，法国，英国。
You brought your bag, amazing. So cool, they're paragliding. Yeah, so we're going to the beach now. This is my beach outfit. I'm just wearing my bikini and I have my short top, so yeah. There was like sad music playing, so you're just like looking at the ocean.
Alright guys, so this is the end of our trip. We had such an amazing time. I enjoyed every part of it, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!